Are you looking for the best portable treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Murtisol 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill with 2.25 HP motor. This model stands out as it comes with an innovative 2-in-1 mode that lets you meet your different sports needs. In particular, you can do some jogging on this treadmill at a speed of 0.6 to 2.5 miles when you fold or put the armrest down. However, you can reach your fitness goal with your desired running speed from 0.6 to 7.5 miles when you raise the armrest up. With the intention to reduce disturbance though, for home or office use, this treadmill comes with a powerful and ultra-quiet 2.25 HP motor. Surprisingly, the 5-layer non-slip texture running belt provides a spacious running area along with an effective and safe cushion for your knees and muscles. This treadmill not only provides a clear LED display but also a Fits How Light app to monitor your fitness data. Adding up, you can conveniently adjust the speed with the remote control and place your device in a phone holder for entertainment. Number 2. Caroma Folding Portable Treadmills for the purpose of noise reduction. This treadmill is specifically built up from a durable steel frame. Therefore, you can ensure that you will not disturb others while running as it is steady and keeps low noise. In addition, the powerful 2.5 HP motor in the Caroma treadmill is also an essential part that makes it more smooth and ultra-quiet. This compact treadmill offers you 2 modes as well, such as walking mode and running mode. While you can use it as a jogging machine at a speed of 0.5 to 2.5 miles per hour, running mode lets you choose the speed between 2.5 and 5 miles per hour. Other than this, there are 12 preset programs allowing you to easily performance button operation. Plus, it is suitable for people of all ages and capable of withstanding 220 pounds at its maximum. Significantly, its 4-layer shock-absorbing non-slip structure running belt provides a safer cushioning for your back, joints, knees, ankles, and muscles. Number 3. Rhythm Fun Portable Walking Treadmill. If you are looking for a portable treadmill consuming as little space as possible, this model from Rhythm Fun might meet your requirement. Its folded dimension only consumes less than 0.05 square meters small space of your home or office. Furthermore, its 2.3-inch thickness and 78 pounds lightweight let you effortlessly put away after use and store it in a closet, under the bed, or sofa. The 7-level soft running belt is as wide as 18 inches, offering a better comfort level, smooth, balance, and stable feeling, and solid design. Adding up, it is suitable for everyone with a weight of 220 pounds. Surprisingly, you can use this treadmill under desk to exercise while working as well. Besides, this unit also has an air shock reduction and noise reduction system made up of a 1.5 horsepower electric motorized DC power motor and silicon structure running board. Space-saving and convenient design. Provides large LED display, smart remote, smart workout app. No assembly needed. Number 4. Umay Portable Treadmill. Looking for a folding treadmill that is ideal for a mild jog or daily soft-core exercise at home? This smart treadmill from Umay has 6 speed options and is capable of reaching 4 miles per hour at its maximum speed. Particularly, different speeds give you choice in exercising as hard as your body and health are capable of. You can slow walk after meal, mild jog to strengthen your immune system, or fast walk to lose some weight. Thanks to its 1.5 HP pulse maximum motor, this treadmill makes less noise, ensuring that you do not cause any disturbance. Similar to other models, it comes with a shock absorption design which reduces less damage to your knees or ankles while walking or running. The walking area is 41 inches by 16 inches wide, which gives a comfortable experience and can support up to 90 kilograms. Significantly, you can use the remote control to change data at any time and stop instantly as an emergency comes up. Number 5. UREVO 2.5 HP Portable Compact Treadmill. This UREVO foldable treadmill provides a wider tread belt than other models for your better running experience. This treadmill comes with a large multi-layer tread belt, and the size of the tread belt is 16.5 inch x 45.7 foot. Within this huge size, you have extra space for comfortable and safer running as well as better footsteps, causing you less prone to touching your feet. In addition, this 16.5-inch running belt is anti-slip and provides a safe cushion for your knees. Aside from this, the machine operates with a 2.5 peak HP motor, enabling you to choose your desired speed ranging 1 to 12 km per hour or 7.5 miles per hour at its max. You can easily adjust the speed with the wide panel platform and check the distance and calories burned on the LCD display. Equally important, this treadmill ensures stable operation with 260 pounds weight capacity. Plus, the stabilizing design makes sure the machine is not shaking while operating.